I have over 500,000 followers here on TikTok. My name is Cody, and my name was not always synonymous with hope. My name once represented despair. I was a high-functioning alcoholic, taking over 30 shots a day. And if you have a high tolerance, 30 shots is only 2 bottles of liquor. 30 shots is easy when you got an extremely high tolerance, and you need that alcohol in order to live. I was physically addicted. I literally could not stop drinking or I would die. Narcissism, anxiety, depression, entitlement. My entire existence, as successful as I was a cesspool of negative emotions and poor mental health. Even through all the pain and even through all of the horrible thoughts I was having, I thought that I was living my best life. It couldn't get any better. I was at the peak of my existence. I had everything I wanted. And in reality, I was simply navigating the darkest corners of my existence. Eventually, I lost everything. My house, my car, my job, money, friends. But from the ashes of my old life, I rose. Today, I'm an ex-alcoholic. I've broken all physical addictions, all emotional dependencies, and I choose not to drink. I'm a sobriety master coach and a recovery specialist. 6 years ago, I survived liver failure and died in ICU from cardiac arrest. You know how long it took for me to recover, just to see straight, just to walk normal again? Over 18 months. And if you don't recognize my face, feel free to give me a follow, as I've created 2 revolutionary sobriety programs to help people recover from alcohol abuse and other toxic situations. I've transformed my pain into a source of hope for others. So if you're struggling, remember, recovery is 100% possible. From despair to hope, from liver failure to freedom. I am living proof that change and transformation is possible. And I know it may feel like you're the only one in the universe that can't do it, but that's not true. Every person that ever got sober and jumped into recovery felt the exact same way. You can do it too.